Okay, let's be real. Does your YouTube channel feel stuck? Like totally dead in the water, just not growing? Well, consider this the giant reset button you've been desperately searching for. I'm going to walk you through a simple 7-day plan to completely flip the script on your channel and finally get things moving. Ready? Let's dive in.
And this right here, this is the absolute core of the problem. And look, let me just be blunt for a second. Your struggle, it's probably not your content. Seriously, it's the fact that you're missing a system. You're just kind of throwing stuff at the wall, creating in chaos, and guess what? The YouTube algorithm is just as confused as you are. That's the problem we're going to fix right now.
So what's the solution? It's this, a 7-day plan. Think of this as the exact blueprint that takes a channel from dead to absolutely booming with growth. And the best part? These are real, actionable steps you can literally start doing the second this is over. Okay, so let's get into it. Phase 1, building your foundation. Days 1 and 2 are all about one thing, getting crystal clear. I mean, clear for your viewers, and maybe even more importantly, clear for the YouTube algorithm. You get this part right, and I promise you, everything else just falls into place. So, day 1. Your mission, should you choose to accept it, is super simple. When a new person lands on your channel, they need to know exactly what you're about in like 3 seconds flat. See, the algorithm just craves clarity. If it has no idea who to show your videos to, it's just not going to show them to anyone. Simple as that. So how do we get that clarity? Easy. We're going to do a 4-point channel audit. First up, niche clarity. You got to define who you're for. Are you making YouTube growth tips for small creators or funny cat videos for millennials? Get specific. Second, your banner. It has to scream your value proposition instantly. Third, your about section. You're going to pack this thing with keywords so YouTube knows exactly who you are. And finally, your playlists. You need to structure them so people can't help but binge watch. This isn't just about being tidy, it's a huge signal to YouTube that you keep people on the platform.
Okay, your foundation is clear. Now for day 2. Today, we're building your content factory. You know, viral content, it's not a lightning strike. It's not random. It's manufactured. It comes from a system. And that's exactly what we're building, a way to stay consistent and pump out great videos without totally burning yourself out.
And the secret sauce to this factory? It's something called content buckets. Just look at these examples. Instead of waking up and thinking, what do I make a video about today? You already have your categories laid out. If your niche is YouTube growth, your buckets are things like thumbnail tips or algorithm breakdowns. Suddenly, you have a never-ending list of video ideas your audience actually wants to see. All right, phase 2. The planning is done. Now it's time to get our hands dirty. Days 3, 4, and 5 are all about mastering your actual production workflow, from hitting record to designing that killer thumbnail. This is where the magic really happens. Day 3 is all about your recording flow. And listen, the formula here is so simple but so powerful. Ready? It's clarity plus energy equals high retention. That's it. It's not just what you say, it's how you say it. Vary your voice, have some energy, and please pack your videos with B-roll and visuals. This one thing can boost your attention by a massive 20 to 25%. That's huge. Moving on to day 4. And this is maybe one of the most important things you'll ever hear about YouTube. Editing is not just cutting out your ums and ahs. No way. Editing is retention. And retention is growth. How you edit your video directly impacts how long people stick around. And that is the #1 signal the algorithm cares about. And this slide just lays it out perfectly. Look at the difference. On the left, low retention. Long, boring clips, static text, snooze fest. But on the right, that's the pro-level stuff. Fast cuts, like every 2 or 3 seconds. Constant zooms and B-roll. Animated text that pops. This isn't just about looking fancy. It's about resetting your viewers' attention span over and over so they literally don't have time to get bored and click away. Okay, day 5. Let's talk about the gatekeeper to your views. You could make the most incredible video in history, but if the thumbnail sucks, nobody's gonna see it. It's that simple. Your thumbnail is everything. It's the billboard for your video, and it has one job: get the click. And the good news is, there is a proven formula for this. It's like a recipe. Step 1, a face with a strong, clear emotion. Think shock, surprise, curiosity. Step 2, a super simple background, no clutter. Step 3, throw a big, bold keyword on there. And step 4, maybe an arrow or a circle pointing to the most important thing.
This isn't clickbait, people. It's just smart marketing that tells the algorithm and viewers exactly what they're getting.
And here we are, the final phase. Launch and grow. You've done the planning, you've created amazing content. Now, for days 6 and 7, we're going to feed it to the algorithm. We're going to tell YouTube exactly who needs to see your awesome new videos.
Day 6 is where you become an SEO king or queen. SEO, search engine optimization, sounds complicated, but it's not. Your only job today is to tweak every little piece of your upload, your title, your description, to give yourself the best possible chance of showing up in search and suggested videos.
Just look at these titles. They're not just my thoughts on YouTube growth. No, they're things like why your channel is not growing in 2025. See the difference? They spark curiosity. They use keywords. They promise a solution. They basically dare you not to click.
And that same thinking goes right into your description. The first couple of lines are absolutely critical. You want to naturally sprinkle in all your main keywords right there at the top. This is like spoon-feeding the algorithm context, telling it, hey, this video is about X, Y, and Z, making it way easier to rank.
And we've made it. The final day. Day 7 is when we flip the big switch into growth mode. Today, your job is to create a storm of activity, a bunch of positive signals that scream to the algorithm, hey, this channel is alive and kicking. You should show it to more people.
So here's your Day 7 battle plan. First, you're going to upload 2 of your awesome new videos. Then, post a couple of shorts on related little topics. Those are your discovery rockets. Hop on the community tab and post a poll to get people talking. And finally, add those new videos into a bunch of different playlists. You see what we're doing? We're attacking from all angles, giving YouTube no choice but to pay attention.
And that's it. That is the 7-day reset. I'm telling you, any channel can grow with a system like this. If you actually do the work, the algorithm has no choice but to reward you. The system works if you work the system.
So I want you to leave with this thought. Stop looking at YouTube like it's this impossible mountain to climb. It's not a chore. When you have a system, consistency just becomes a habit. And once that happens, YouTube stops feeling like a battle. It becomes your playground.
Okay, enough talk. The time for learning is over, and the time for doing has begun. Your 7-day reset starts right now. So my question for you is simple. What's your day 1 action? What is the one thing you are going to do right after this to start this process? Are you going to fix your niche, redo that banner? Decide now and go do it.